There are 3 types of AI working with you every day. But do you know who's your teammate, who's a solo agent, and who's the silent helper? Meet the Copilot. It helps as you work. Writing code? It suggests the next line. Making slides? It fills in the gaps. This is the agent. Give it a task, and it runs with it. Calling APIs, analyzing data, sending reports, all done automatically. And here's the teammate, not just a tool, but a thinking partner. It asks questions, suggests ideas, even challenges your plans. It's more like a co-creator than a machine. Let's break it down. Copilot, your helpful assistant. Agent, the self-driven executor. Teammate, your thinking collaborator. Creating content? Teammate AI helps you brainstorm and refine. Running a business? Agent AI automates your reports and workflows. Daily tasks? Copilot AI supports you step by step. So which type of AI are you using? Drop a comment, teammate, agent, or Copilot. And follow for more tips on using AI the smart way.